Welcome to this video on the Introduction to Anatomy, focusing on the skeletal system. This video will introduce you to the skeletal system, including its functions, the shapes of bones, and the major bones of the skeleton. The skeletal system has many important functions, such as providing support, storing minerals, producing red blood cells, and allowing movement. The skeleton is divided into the axial skeleton, shown in blue, and the appendicular skeleton, shown in pink. Bones can be classified by their shape. Examples include long bones, which are longer than they are wide, like the humerus. Short bones are as wide as they are long, such as the carpal bones in the hands. This is just a brief overview of the shapes of bones. Let's begin exploring the bones of the skull, including the parietal, frontal, nasal, zygomatic, sphenoid, occipital, temporal, maxilla, and mandible. This slide provides an unlabeled view of the skull bones for practice and self-testing. The spinal vertebrae are categorized into 5 regions: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacrum, and coccyx. Here is an unlabeled diagram of the spinal vertebrae for self-review. The cervical vertebrae include C1, the atlas, which allows nodding, and C2, the axis, which allows head rotation. The thoracic vertebrae are 12 bones that articulate with the ribs. The 5 lumbar vertebrae have thick vertebral bodies. The sacrum consists of 5 fused bones that articulate with the coxal bones. These bones fuse fully by age 25 to 30. The bones of the upper limb include the clavicle, scapula, humerus, ulna, radius, carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. This slide provides an unlabeled view of the upper limb bones for practicing identification. The coxal bones, also called hip or pelvic bones, are comprised of the iliac, ischium, and pubic bones. The coxal bones are fully fused by age 25. This slide is for you to practice identifying these bones. This slide is an unlabeled view of the coxal bone for self-assessment. The bones of the lower limb include the femur, patella, tibia, fibula, tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges. The femur is the longest bone in the body, and the patella is a sesamoid bone. This slide offers an unlabeled view of the lower limb bones for identification practice. Quiz 1 is a set of questions to test your knowledge of the anatomical regions covered in this video. Quiz 2 consists of matching questions. Write down your answers and check them with the answer key at the end of the video.